Hello Queens, welcome back to my channel. Another Sunday. We are blessed to be alive. Happy to see you. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel. This is where we talk beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we have a discovery of a new palette that we're gonna go through. So Juvia launched a new palette a couple of weeks ago, and it's named Garden of Juvia. Pretty name, and it has a lot of pretty color. Let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. You have like all of these pretty color. Most of them are glittery. That's not bad. So, and that's the yellow. Yes, I love the sunshine way better than the yellow itself. The light pink is good as well. It's called Peony. Okay, so I'm gonna start with lilac hue, which is this light pink here, and we're gonna apply it all over the eyelid and see what it's gonna look like. That's what the lilac hue look like. I'm gonna add the sweet lilac, which is a purple itself, and we're gonna put it here. Add a little bit of marigold. Okay, so blue has always been my favorite liner color. Let me put it like that. So I picked the cobalt blue, and this one is Juvia as well. And let's see, it's a liquid liner. That's what it looks like. That's the blue. This one is called Electric Lime. It's like yellowish, but kind of like on the green side, I think. And also, this is the third one. It's called Living Coral. It's kind of like a pinkish. So today we're gonna be trying the cobalt blue and the electric lime and see exactly what it looks like. This is what the cobalt blue look like on my eyes, but I'm not done yet. We're gonna add a little bit of electric lime. So that's the result. Electric lime with cobalt blue. You're gonna try the sunshine as a highlight. Nice. At the same time, they launch a collection of lashes as well, but my particular one, I only pick the maximum volume ones because when it's too light, I don't like it. Maybe because I don't have lashes at all. So this one is this is Nefertiti Cleopatra. This is Cleopatra in a maximum volume. And we have Egypt's XL. And this one too is in the maximum volume. Okay, here is a Egypt XL. And it's in maximum volume in there. The one that I pick are the one that are longer because they have a light one that are not full, which I was not interested in. And the Egypt actually have a regular one that is shorter than this. So this is the Egypt XL. My last one is Aziza one. Is maximum volume as well, but it's a little bit shorter than the other ones, and they look more natural. Okay, so this is what the Nefertiti look like, and I think it actually look pretty cool. Let's add a little bit of foundation and a little bit of sunshine. Another one that is the lip gloss. Well, the particular one that I picked is called Pink Bay, and this is what it look like. It look more like orange coral-ish. This is what it look like. is more like coral pink light, like orange-ish. That's the color of it, and let's see what it look like right now. So I'm gonna apply this liner. Is from Juvia as well in color Scorpio, and so end product, this is what we got, and as you can tell, this is like a simple makeup of mine, and the colors of this palette, they are really pretty, as you can see. So is a liner, the lip gloss, oh my, like. So thank you, queens, for stopping by. Please let me know how I did. I want to see what you guys think about this palette. So many colors that you can play with. The liner are really pretty, like really pretty. Even though they have like multiple colors, I only wanted to try it first. So the three that I got did not disappoint me. So I'm definitely gonna add more color to it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.